Hi, my name is Jeremy,
I'm Sarah.
and we're here at Uptown Swing, and this is level 2.
Three.
Th-
Level 3.
Like I said, level 3, Connection and Musicality Month. Um, it was crazy. There was a lot of stuff that happened tonight. Everyone did a great job, but we talked at the beginning about how to hold each other, specifically how to hold each other with the inside hand. And just a thing to remember, we want to hold each other like we hold like someone we're talking to. That's kind of the feeling that you want to feel or aspire to in some capacity. It should not feel like you're holding a bowling ball or a box or using a square like this. It should be very much like a normal human interaction. So let's aim for that in the future. And then we did some moves like a circle.
Yep.
And we focused on weight transfers. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. That's a 6 count down the line circle and also swing on circle in 8. And we focused on that timing difference of one side of the body versus the other side of the body while holding each other.
Yeah, while staying in a nice, comfortable connection and followers not rushing and just staying back.
Yeah.
And then we did that circle tuck.
Yeah. The first foray into this kind of roll-out shape. We did a circle to the rollout, and we'll try that here. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Maybe this is the first foray for followers into a triple step turn down the line. And we practiced that individually, and then we also practiced it together. Just remember, keep that pulse happening on every integer beat, and also don't let your feet get ahead of you. But practice at home, and we'll see you next week.